When you want to succeed as bad as you want to breathe, as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful.
Most of you say you want to be successful, but you don't want it bad.
You don't want it bad. You just kind of want it.
You gotta want to be successful so bad that you forget to eat.
That's how bad you gotta want it. Most of you don't want success as much as you want to sleep. I said, look, don't try to give up. Try to keep going. Keep going. But I got an opportunity to make a dream become a reality. You won't be successful until you say, I don't need that money. Because I got it in here. Then you'll be successful.